Are you at risk of being deemed a personal service business and getting audited by the CRA? Here's what you can do to protect yourself against this very real risk. If your incorporation isn't structured properly and if you don't meet all the criteria of a small business, the CRA may reclassify your corporation as a personal service business. In this unlikely event, the CRA would ask you to pay the higher personal tax rates on your present and past income versus the much lower corporate tax rates. The CRA is doing this to enforce compliance on those who are trying to avoid taxes and are not taking the proper steps to run a small business properly. Here's what you can do to protect yourself. Number one, the key is to remember you're running a small business and you need to structure and operate it like a professional. And that means being organized and doing all that's necessary to be compliant with CRA rules. Ensure you have your incorporation papers easily on file. You maintain an up-to-date corporate minute book. Register your GST and HST numbers. Make sure your CRA source deductions account is set up and in good standing. And set up a WSIB or WCB account and make sure you pay the premiums. Number two, invest in your business, operate efficiently, and keep good records. That includes making sure you own your own tools of the trade, namely the tools needed to complete the job, like your car or your laptop. Sign contracts between your business and your clients that define a separate relationship. Buy commercial liability insurance. Maintain an office that's off-site from your client sites. Try to control the work you do each day based on the general outlines from your clients. Do not accept benefits or perks that would make you look more integrated with the employer, and make sure your invoicing and expense records are in good order. Then, market your business by setting up a website, getting business cards printed, listing your business in the consulting section of as many business directories as possible, and advertise your business regularly. And last but not least, seek out professional advice from an accounting firm that specializes in incorporating contractors and protecting their clients against PSC risk, like CA4IT. The bottom line is, if you want peace of mind, get wise and get the right kind of advice and protect yourself against PSC risk effectively.